Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel EnglishVinglish with Manpreet. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to talk about some common grammatical errors that we all make whenever we are writing or speaking English language. There are certain errors that we all make and we do not realize these errors. So one by one we are going to discuss them. But before going further, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go and hit that red button on which subscribe is written, and also hit that bell icon right next to it to get yourself notified whenever I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first one is use of a verb with singular subject in a simple present tense. Let's understand with an example. She go to the market daily. Doesn't sound nice, right? She goes to the market daily. That's the correct sentence. So from this example, we can understand that we should use S or ES with the first form of verb if the subject is a third person singular pronoun. I'll give another example. She went to the market yesterday. Incorrect sentence. She went to the market yesterday. Now in this sentence, the sentence is in the past tense. So whenever there is the verb in past form, we do not use S or ES with the verb. Now second one is use of a singular noun with each and every. Now let's understand it with some examples. Every student likes the teacher. That's an incorrect answer. Every student likes the teacher. That's the correct statement. So whenever there is each or every in the sentence, we do not use the plural form of verb with each and every. We always use the singular form whenever the sentence is starting with each or every. Now this one is the most easy one to understand, but the most common mistake that we make when we are writing in a sentence in English. Use of is and are in the sentence. Now I'll give an example. There is 2 boys in the classroom. That's an incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is there are 2 boys in the classroom. So always remember, whenever the noun is in singular form, we are going to use is as a verb. But if the noun is in plural form, we are always going to use are as the verb. Last but not the least is the appropriate use of since, for. Let's understand with some examples. They are studying from past 2 hours. That's an incorrect sentence. They are studying for past 2 hours. I'll give another example. It has been raining from morning. That's an incorrect sentence. It has been raining since morning. That's the correct sentence. So whenever a certain period of time is given to you in the sentence, that is when we use for. For example, for 2 hours, for 3 hours, for 2 days, for 2 months. So a specific period is mentioned in the sentence. But when only the beginning of the period is given to you, for example, since mornings, since 1952, that is when we use since in a sentence. So I hope the video was helpful. If you like the video, kindly hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I also have an Instagram page for the same. I'll link it down in the description box. Please follow me there. Now I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.